What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to disable automatic updates on your Windows 11 computer. Now I'll be showing you two methods. One is disabling temporarily, and then the other method is permanently disabling automatic updates. Now just to be clear, we're not completely disabling updates, we're just disabling automatic updates. You can go to the settings at any time and update your computer. The only thing we're doing here is disabling the automatic aspect of those updates. So to disable updates temporarily, go to the start button, click on it, and then go to settings. Or you could right click on the start button and select settings. Either way, it's gonna land you on the settings page. While you're here, go to the left hand side panel and click on Windows Update and go to this section. And here, as you can see, you can pause updates, and that basically means pausing automatic updates. So you can pause for 1 week, which is a default. But if you click on this drop down arrow, you can pause for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, up to 5 weeks. That's the maximum period for which you can block automatic updates. So for instance, if I want to disable automatic updates for a month, I'll choose 4 weeks, and that will pause automatic updates for the next 1 month. I can even click here if I want to extend that period by a whole week. Now I can reverse this at any time by simply coming back to the settings page, clicking on Windows Updates and clicking Resume Updates, and that will resume my normal automatic updates. So that's how to temporarily disable automatic updates. Now I'll be showing you how to permanently disable automatic updates on your Windows 11 computer. And for this one, we'll need to bring up the group policy editor. So what you want to do is click on the start button, and then in the search bar, type group. And as soon as you type the word group, you should see this option, edit group policy. It's in the control panel. So click on it, and that will open the local group policy editor. Now, if for some reason you are not able to open it using that method, then you can go to the search bar and open the control panel. And inside the control panel, you can now search for group policy. And even before you finish typing, you should see Windows Tools, Edit Group Policy. You click on it, it's gonna open the exact same window. Anyway, let me just close one. So on this window, let me just make it a little bigger so you can be able to see clearly what you're doing. Stretch it out to the left, and then also make this a little bigger so you can clearly see what you're doing. So inside the local group policy editor, click on computer configuration and then click on administrative templates. You want to click on this little drop down arrow under administrative templates, and then click on Windows components. Again, you're clicking on the drop down arrow next to Windows components, and then scroll all the way down to W and find Windows Update. Click on it to select, and then click on the arrow there, and then click on Manage End User Experience. And then get in here and click on Configure Automatic Updates. So you want to double click on that, and that should pop up this little window. And on this window, it says Configure Automatic Updates. So it's currently not configured, which means it's running on the Windows default. Go ahead and click on Disabled, and then click Apply and click OK. And that's it. You can now see Configure Automatic Updates is currently disabled. So now your computer will never automatically search and install updates. You can go to the Start menu at any time, click on Settings, and then click on Windows Update at the bottom here, and you can update your computer at any time, even though we've disabled automatic updates. Now, if you want to go back and enable automatic updates, you can do that. All you have to do is follow the steps I've just shown you until you end up on this specific page. And then once again, double click on Configure Automatic Updates. From the window that pops up, click on Not Configured once again, and then click Apply, and then click OK to confirm. And make sure it's gone back to Not Configured. And that means you have re-enabled automatic updates. And that's basically how to disable automatic updates on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.